Hey, welcome back to Saving with Ashley Corella. So today we are going to get into I got the hookup to save for our property taxes today. Let's pull and see what color we get. We got green. Ooh, that is $16. Let's count it out. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and $16 right there. So let's color off our green. We're going to put 16 and let's color that in. All right. Let's add it to our chain. Gonna open it if we can get it open. There we go. Add it. And that is it. All right, everybody. So far we have saved, and I got the hookup. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and $34. That is amazing. Once we finish this, we are going to have a great amount saved towards our property tax. All right, I'll see you guys in the next I Got the Hookup. Peace.